Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily set up your Site123 as a multi-page and not as a landing single page. So what you want to do is just be in your Site123, click here on settings, and you're gonna see here website type, and you want to click here multi-page. Straight away right now, when I will should try and add pages, and let's just add contact. It's here, but you can create the pages now on different ones. So you're gonna have it like multi-page. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I will try to help you and give you some feedback and guidance. And yeah, thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.